Hello students, present topic of discussion is representation of rational numbers on number line. If you are asked here which numbers these represent, so you may say clearly some person may say they are natural numbers, these are whole numbers and these are integers. If I ask you one question, what numbers are there between 2 and 5 here in natural numbers? You can say clearly 3 and 4. And what numbers are there between 3 and 4 then? So no numbers will be there between 3 and 4 in natural numbers and also in whole numbers also. Between 2 and 3 there won't be any numbers in whole numbers. Even in integers also, though there is 0 and negative numbers, there won't be any numbers between minus 3 and minus 2, minus 4 and minus 3. Between any two successive numbers there won't be any numbers. But if I ask you what are the numbers between minus 3 and 3, you can say minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. And minus 2, minus 2 is less than minus 1, minus 1 is less than 0. Like that, the left side numbers will be smaller than the right side numbers. I think you should have this confirmation. Now, if you go to rational numbers, how many rational numbers will be there between 0 and 1? How many rational numbers between there 0 and minus 1, 0 and 1, 1 and 2, or else 1 and 3? How many rational numbers? So there will be infinite number of rational numbers will be there. But for here, just to discuss here some numbers. So you should know already. So here, when you write number line, numbers on number line, the distance between them you should maintain same. Right? Though I have drawn here approximately, you should use ruler or scale to use to draw the number line. The distance between 0 and 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, the distance must be same. Right? You should maintain that compulsory. Now, you should know that between 0 and 1 there will be half. Right? Between 1 and 2 there will be 1 and half. Nothing but this can be written as 3 halves. Right? Between 2 and 3 there will be 2 and half. Nothing but 5 halves. So here between 0 and 1 there will be half will be there. So nothing but up to here half, up to here 1, nothing but 2 halves, up to here 3 halves, up to here to 4 halves, up to here 5 halves, means 2 and half, up to here 3 full 3 is nothing but here 6 halves, here there will be 3 and half will be there. 3 and half means 7 halves, 4 means 8 halves, between 4 and 5 there will be 4 and half, right? So 4 and half means 9 halves, 5 means 10 halves. If you go on the left side, 0 is 0 halves, you can write 0 halves. 0 halves means nothing again. Right? This is minus half, right? This is minus 2 halves, minus 2 by 2. It is minus 1 whole and half. So this minus applies to this half also together for a full number. So this is minus 4 halves. Between minus 2 and minus 3 there will be, what will be there? Minus 2 and half will be there. Between 3 and 4 there will be 3 and half will be there, but you should write minus symbol as there are minus symbol. Should also remember that minus 3 and half is smaller than minus 2 and half. Minus 2 and half is smaller than minus 1 and half. Minus 1 and half is less than minus half. Right? Minus half is less than 0. Right? So in that way you have to divide the number line into parts. Here, as we have represented halves, one whole is the distance between two wholes, 0 and 1, made it two equal parts. This part, this part. Don't count the lines, count the parts, number of parts. Right? And between 1 and 2, again, we have made two equal parts. Right? So in that way, you have to represent numbers on number line. Let us go with some examples. To represent rational numbers on number line, First of all, you should know what does the numerator and denominator of a fraction represent, right? So let us consider the first one, 3 by 7. So in all the fractions, denominator represents the number of equal parts made in one whole. Number of equal parts made in one whole. This you must know. Made in a whole, right? Numerator represents the parts taken or the parts considered, right? Number of parts taken are considered, right? Now, that is why when the numerator is less than the denominator, it means it is less than 1. So, denominator represents the number of equal parts made in a one whole, right? In one whole, how many parts you are making is, so if it is one whole, right? So, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 means so all parts must be equal first of all, right? So here 7 parts are made. So in one whole 7 parts are made. Consider this is a biscuit and we made 7 equal parts and 3 parts are taken, right? So this is what 3 sevens, right? You must this will be less than 1. 4 sevens also will be less than 1 up to here, right? 1 seventh will be less than 1, 2 sevenths will be less than 1, 3 sevenths will be less than 1, 4 sevenths will be less than 1, 5 sevenths will be less than 1, even 6 sevenths will be less than 1. When you take 7 sevenths, this will make 1, right? So that is what 0 up to here 1 by 7, up to here 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7, 6 by 7, 7 by 7, right? So you must know that. And see, this is 13 fourths. Means here again one whole is made into, as the denominator is 4 here in the second problem, one whole is made into 4 equal parts. But 13 parts are taken, right? If one whole is made only 4 parts and 13 parts are taken, that means it will be more than 1. There should be more than one whole, right? One whole is made into only 4 equal parts. So this is 4 equal parts are made. Each is 1/4. This is 1/4. This is 1/4. Each part is 1/4, right? So this is also 1/4. This is also 1/4. 1/4. 1/4. Now until now, so if you consider this 1, 2, 3, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these are all 8 fourths, right? You know already 8 fourths will make 4 ones 4 twos, right? So 8 fourths will make 2 wholes, right? 2 wholes. If you take one more whole, totally there are 3 wholes. So this is also 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, this 1/4, right? So this is totally up to here now totally 12 fourths. 12 fourths will make, as you see here, 4 ones 4 3. So they will make 3 wholes. Right? We need 13 fourths. So that is why you have to take one whole and you have to take only 1/4 from this, right? You have to take only this. This we don't need, right? So that is what 13 fourths. 13 fourths can also be written as this 1, 2, 3, 3 wholes, and this is 1/4. Always you don't do this. This is only for understanding purpose. You have divide. You have to read 4 table. Means in one whole there are 4 parts. You have to read that 4 table. So 4 ones 4 means 4 ones 4 means one whole. 4 twos 8 means 2 wholes will contain 8 parts. 4 threes 12 means 3 wholes contain 12 parts. So 3 wholes. 12 parts gone. 3 wholes, 12 parts gone. So totally 13 parts are there. That's why 1/4 will remain, right? So that is why here this 1/4, right? That is what 3 wholes 1/4. Now let us represent, right? So first of all you have to write, you have to understand. 3 by 7 is less than 1 minus 5 by 7. If you don't consider this, this will also be less than 1 itself, right? So that is why this number will be between 0 and 1, right? So this is less than 1. So if you start number line, so you have to use scale. I am saying again and again, you have to use ruler and equal distance you should maintain. So no need to write all numbers, right? So you write here 0, as we have to write minus also. So let us increase somewhat. So this is 0, this is minus 1. So we have to maintain equal distance. I am approximately maintaining. You must use a ruler. This is 1. Now this part should be made into 7 equal parts. For making 7 equal parts, you have to keep here 6 lines, right? So for keeping 6 lines, so I am keeping here 1 line, here more, 1, 2, 3, here again 2, right? So one part, second part, third part, fourth part, fifth part, sixth part, seventh part. So we got here 7 parts. So you should know here, as we have written here, this is 0 is 0 by 7. 1 is 7 by 7. 7 sevens. That is why. So this will be 1 by 7. This will be 2 by 7. This will be 3 by 7. We have located, no, write an arrow mark here, located, right? 3 sevens, right? Complete. Now here minus 5 by 7, right? Here also make 7 equal parts, means keep again 6 lines, right? Right? So this is 0 by 7. This is 1. 1 is 7 by 7. But minus symbol is there, no, right? Minus 7 by 7. So from here in reverse order, 0. This will be minus 1 by 7. Second one will be minus 2 by 7. Third one will be minus 3 by 7. Fourth one will be minus 4 by 7. Fifth one will be minus 5 by 7. Sixth one will be minus 6 by 7. So this is located, no? Right, located. Minus 5 by 7, 3 by 7. Right? In that way, you have to locate rational numbers on number line. Second example is 13/4. As we discussed just now, 13/4. 13/4 means 3 wholes 1/4, right? So you must convert this into mixed fraction. You don't, generally students what they will do, they will start writing. They will start 0, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4. But they don't know what they are doing. They just go on writing, right? This way of doing is not good. Means you did that without knowing anything, right? So again, so 3 wholes 1/4 will be between 3 and 4. So that is why after writing number line, so you write, don't write all numbers, at least write 2, 3, 4, 5, dash, 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 right? 5. Now you have to make 4 equal parts, right? As you have to make 4 equal parts, in middle keep 1 line. As you have to make 4 equal parts, you have to draw, you have to keep only 3 lines. Middle 1 line, in between them 1 more line, in between them here 1 more line. So 4 equal parts are made, right? So now this is 1/4, right? 3 wholes. After 3 wholes, this is 3 wholes 1/4. 3 holes, 2 fourths, 3 holes, 3 fourths. So it is 3 holes, 4 fourths. 4 fourths will make again 1, no? That is why. So if you write 3 holes, 4 fourths, you should not write like this. 4 fourths will make again 1. So it will become 4. It will become 4 holes. So that is why 3 holes, 3 fourths completed. Right here, that is what you have to locate in this way. Located 3 holes, 3 fourths is 13 by 4. 3 holes, 1 fourth. Sorry, 3 holes, 1 fourth. No. So let us locate the same on the same number line. The number we don't have here. So 2.75. So in decimal numbers, the number before decimal will be whole again, right? This will be whole. This will indicate the whole number part. This will indicate the part fraction. Right? This will indicate the fraction. So if it is a fraction, you should know how many parts are it is made in, right? So after a decimal point, if there is only one digit, 1.5. If there is only one digit, this is called 10th digit. It is 10th place. 10th place means one whole is divided into 10 equal parts. So this is before decimal point will be whole, and after decimal point 5 is there, no, that will be 5 tenths. One whole, 5 tenths, right? 5 tenths. So 5 ones, 5 twos you can divide. There is no problem. This one whole as it is means it is one whole and half. 1 and half it means, right? 1.5 means 1 and half only, right? So if you take 1.25, right? So it means that tenths, hundredths means one whole is made into 100 parts and 25 parts are taken. It means 1.25. You have to read this as 1.25. It means one whole is made into 100 parts. Tenths, hundredths. 100 parts are made and 25 parts are taken here, right? So that is why you write here one whole, 25 hundredths. Again 25 ones, 25 fourths. It means one whole, 1 fourth. Right? Similarly, if we take our problem, right? Our problem is 2.75. So as we discussed just now, so 75 after decimal point there are 2 digits, means one whole is made 100 parts. 75 parts are taken. Before that are wholes. So 75 parts out of 100 parts. 2 whole. Now you can cut here. 75. If you are good at table, that's why you should be good at tables first of all up to 20. All will say don't buy her tables. All up to if you learn up to 10 tables, it will be enough. They will say. But for example, if you see these two numbers like 34 and 51, are you getting any idea? No idea you are getting, right? So if you are good at tables, you will automatically get the idea of 17 tables. 17 to 34, 73 is 51. That is what you should know, tables at least up to 20 in order to save time, right? So it is 25 threes, 25 fours, means 2 wholes, 3 fourths. 2 wholes and 3 fourths. Again one whole should be made only 4 parts. Here 1 part, here 1 part, here 1 part, right? So that is what 4 equal parts are made. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So this will be 2 wholes. Sorry, this is 2 wholes, 1 fourth. This 2 wholes, 2 fourths, 2 wholes, 3 fourths, nothing but 2.75. This will be 2.5, half, middle. So this will be 2.25. Like it is 25, 50 parts, 75 parts, 100 parts, right? In that way, you have to represent numbers on number line. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, if you think the information is good, please like that. So if you like it, it may reach to many people.